practice. Tomorrow gotta do an escort. Thinking about taking the camera with me and doing a little bit of a time-lapse video. It's gonna be about a 10-hour ride. So much worried about video and going down or coming back to the shop, but video and transport of the home from the manufacturer to the home site. Probably have to do a time-lapse. It's about a 4-hour run from the manufacturer back up to the home site. Got my interest peaked to possibly doing a video like that. You guys see what we deal with on a daily basis. I'd like to do a live video, just don't know if I have enough SD card. It says I can get 10 hours on one SD card, but it'd be a heck of an upload. A lot of editing. So I thought about going with the time lapse. That way it cuts down on the editing. I can always speed a time lapse up so it don't look so bad. Speed up as much, however you want to say. What do we got over there? Street painter. So today is not too bad of a day. I think it's chillier today than it was yesterday, to be the truthful. I hate bikes and lights. They always seem like they don't pick up like they should. My belief, I don't know if it's 100%, the lights go off of a sense the electronics in your vehicle, which explains a bike. Not a lot of electronics, especially in this one. I mean, your higher end bikes maybe, where you have your radios and stuff of that nature. Isn't a big of a rush to leave today from work. Looks like they haven't mowed their soccer field in a while. Got a little extra work to do now. They gotta clean it all up. With the weather we have, it don't surprise me. Another practice down. Today is Tuesday. Game this coming Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Girls are shaping up. They still got room to improve. But who doesn't? Everybody always has room to improve. Playing fairly well as a team. My daughter was very nervous coming into it. She's the only outsider. The rest of them are all local town girls, and we're the next couple towns away. She's fitting right in with them. She made a mistake today, eating before practice. Instead of eating a good lunch and snacking before practice, she decided to eat a whole can of raviolis before practice. So she came out the field not feeling too well. I told her to suck it up, get back out there and play. Puke on the field. We're not quitters. Might be a harsh dad, but guess what? You'll learn the hard ways. Once you learn it once, you'll never do it again. Go home, get some supper, to bed. And up at 3:30 is going to be a little extra early than normal. Only by a half hour, but still. A half hour is quite a bit when you come to think of it. Definitely a lot chillier today than it was yesterday. I think I'll leave the bike home tonight or tomorrow. Drive the truck. Supposed to be a better day tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see how I feel in the morning. Got to transfer over my videos to my computer tonight. That way if I decide to do that time lapse for you guys tomorrow, I got plenty of storage on my card. I just think it'd be something different, something cool. I know it ain't outdoor related, but you almost do like a vlog of your life as you're at it. And this is what I do for a living. So riding a bike ain't what I do for a living. It'd be nice, but not what we do for a living right now. Definitely working in a home manufacturing sales business. Excuse me for the yawn there. 10 hours of driving tomorrow is going to be fun. Gotta make sure I take road food. So I'll probably be taking myself some sandwiches. Something quick and easy to eat while I'm on the road. We don't really stop for any restroom breaks or eating or nothing. We try to drive right straight through. Quicker you get there, quicker you get it done, quicker you go home, quicker you can get the next one. Only do about one house a move a week or a day, unless we're doing short hauls within town or something, couple locations. Other than that, it's all with one a day. Must be cleaning up the backyard finally. Probably burning off his tires and whatnot. I don't even know what that place is anymore. That company that used to be in there and went bankrupt a few times under different names. I think this last time finally did him in. Finally rolled 1,900 miles. If I remember right, we started the season with 1,370 or 1,380, somewhere in there. We're getting there. Most of them miles, sadly, are riding back and forth to work. Hoping to get a GPS sometime here soon. Start hitting some of these back trails. And we'll start out getting lost and turn on the GPS to find our way home. Looking at the Zumo XT or the XT2. I like features on both of them. The XT2 just seems to be more user friendly, and that's what I like. over the XT. I do like on the XT you can pull up next to each other and share your files. XT2, I'm not sure if you can quite do that. About $100 difference between the two devices. Another thing I like about the XT2 is it's a straight 12 volt hardwire versus the XT. It had that 5 amp reducer in it, or 5 volt reducer or whatever it was, and it did cause, looking them up and watching different things, I see where a lot of people had issues with that, getting full power because of that. Putting the screen in half light, not as bright. Anybody that rides motorcycles knows yourself, you get out here on a bright sunny day, that brighter screen is going to be better than that dimmer screen. So just one less risk, one risk you can mitigate, I guess. We'll see what the funds have for us to make. Did get a mail from my Amazon affiliate page. I know it's early in the season to be having that. Obviously no orders right yet. I gotta have 3 orders to keep it active. Nothing's been ordered yet. So I'll probably end up having to redo my affiliate page, but that's okay. We can always retry when we get bigger. I was going to use that money on my affiliate to put back into the channel, into equipment and gear, but what do? It takes a while to grow and for people to commit to you. And I know I have a little bit of variety on my channel. What I'm saying is I don't like to put all my eggs in one basket, I guess. Anniversary weekend this weekend, not sure what's going down, not sure what we're going to do. We don't want to do nothing. Maybe it's supposed to be actually a decent weekend, maybe get out and get a good ride in. Just some back trails somewhere. I kind of stay where I know I'm going, but I don't get myself tangled up and get lost. Down here you can lose cell service just by dropping over a mountain. Maybe ride over towards the canyon or something and loop around down into Blackwell and back up on Pine Creek there. Might be a good little venture. Should have my daughter's blow up, air mattress to tomorrow. Today's Tuesday, so tomorrow. Air mattress and a tarp for under my tent. Should look into buying, get another Easy Up since mine went for a ride off of the deck. Take them camping with us this one father and daughter day. I know I talked this morning of canceling it. I don't know what we're going to do 100% because I could almost take an Easy Up, put it over top of our tent to help minimize water, and then could take the second Easy Up so we have a place to eat and cook and all that good stuff. Not sure about how a campfire will go. Store the wood in the back of the truck. I got a cap on that, so help keep it dry. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Hi baby. Hi sweetie.